Welcome back to Z Tech Advisor. In this video, we will delve into the critical importance of addressing complacency, particularly in the context of legacy systems and organizational culture. We'll examine the potential risks and vulnerabilities that arise when organizations become stagnant or resistant to change. Through the lens of XYZ Company's vulnerability management journey, we'll uncover valuable insights into overcoming complacency and implementing proactive strategies to enhance cybersecurity resilience. So, join us as we explore practical approaches and real-world examples to fortify your organization's defenses and safeguard against emerging threats. Let's dive in and empower ourselves with the knowledge and tools to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity with confidence. Complacency. A common misconception is that once vulnerabilities are identified and mitigated, the organization is immune to security threats, leading to complacency and neglect of ongoing vulnerability management efforts. Organizations may fail to prioritize vulnerability management, assuming that existing security controls are sufficient to protect against cyber threats. Legacy systems and applications may pose unique challenges in vulnerability management, including outdated software, limited support, and compatibility issues with modern security tools. Organizations may struggle to identify and address vulnerabilities in legacy systems, leaving them exposed to security risks and compliance violations. Organizational culture, resistance to change, lack of buy-in from leadership, and siloed organizational structures can impede the effectiveness of vulnerability management initiatives and hinder collaboration between IT and security teams. Organizations may face challenges in aligning stakeholders, implementing security policies, and fostering a culture of security, awareness, and accountability. Module 1. Introduction to Vulnerability Management Case Study. Case Study. XYZ Companies. Vulnerability Management Journey. Background. XYZ Company is a medium-sized enterprise operating in the financial services sector with a growing customer base and an expanding digital infrastructure. The company recognizes the importance of establishing a robust vulnerability management program to protect its sensitive data and maintain regulatory compliance. Challenge. Despite investing in various security solutions, XYZ Company needs a formal vulnerability management process. This has led to a lack of visibility into its IT assets and vulnerabilities, leaving the organization vulnerable to cyber threats and regulatory fines. Solution. To address these challenges, XYZ Company has implemented a comprehensive vulnerability management program. The program includes conducting an initial assessment of the organization's IT infrastructure to identify existing vulnerabilities and gaps in security controls, establishing procedures for regular vulnerability scanning and assessment using industry-standard tools and methodologies, prioritizing vulnerabilities based on risk severity, potential impact, and criticality to the organization's business operations, developing a mitigation strategy that includes patch management, configuration hardening, and the implementation of compensating controls, implementing continuous monitoring practices to detect and respond to new vulnerabilities and emerging threats in real time, establishing clear roles and responsibilities for vulnerability management stakeholders, including IT teams, security personnel, and executive leadership, providing training and awareness programs to educate employees about the importance of vulnerability management and their role in maintaining a secure IT environment. Outcome. By implementing a vulnerability management program, XYZ Company improves its security posture and reduces its risk exposure to cyber threats. The organization gains better visibility into its IT assets and vulnerabilities, enabling proactive identification and remediation of security weaknesses. Additionally, XYZ Company enhances its regulatory compliance efforts, demonstrating its commitment to protecting customer data and maintaining the integrity of its financial services operations.